Hello, today we will guide you through how to download and install Jira software on Windows 10 11. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Microsoft Store to find and install the Jira desktop app on your Windows computer. This is a simple process, and if you follow along step by step, you should have the app ready in just a few minutes. To begin, open the Microsoft Store on your laptop or desktop. If it's not already pinned to your taskbar or visible on your screen, don't worry. A quick way to find it is by using the Windows search feature. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, then type Microsoft Store into the search bar. As the results appear, select Microsoft Store to launch it. If your system takes a moment to load the app, just give it a few seconds. On some computers, the store may open slowly, especially if it hasn't been used recently. Once Microsoft Store is open, look to the search bar at the top of the window. Click into that search field and type Jira. This will bring up matching apps and related results. Be sure to spell it correctly so you can quickly locate the correct listing. From the search results, click on Desktop Jira. This will open the apps page where you can review the listing before installing it. Taking a brief look at the app page can be helpful since it confirms that you've selected the right application from the results. Next, click on Get. This starts the download and installation process through Microsoft Store. Depending on your internet speed and system performance, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. During this time, keep the store open and allow Windows to finish the installation without interruption. Once the installation is complete, Microsoft Store may give you an option to open the app right away. If not, you can launch it later from the Start menu by searching for Jira. If the Get button doesn't appear, you may need to make sure you're signed into Microsoft Store with your Windows account, since some installations require that before downloading. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Jira on Windows 10 or Windows 11 using the Microsoft Store. Follow these same steps anytime you need to reinstall the app or install it on another Windows device.